so today we're going to be opening our home swag home from
I can open this.
Yeah.
Where are you? Oh, the papa are
Okay, so first,
I didn't think you were
yeah, and then we'll pull
Oh,
out.
there's too heavy. There's too heavy.
So come back when we put all this stuff on the floor and let's open them.
Oh, I call these. But this is too heavy. There's another box.
Hi dolls! So now we have all this stuff on the floor. Okay, my batch. And we are going to be opening like all this stuff and we'll show you what.
We'll do a quick run through though. What do you have, Victoria? You have a
Stikbot.
Oh.
Stikbot. Yes. Okay. Okay.
And then I also have go-go gashes.
So cute.
I
Oh, okay.
have, okay.
Well, let's see.
Nana surprise.
Very cool.
Then we have the upside down challenge.
Good. And Kennedy, what do you have?
I have Roblox.
Yeah.
Pop It. We also have
Okay.
real wigs. And I have the rainbow jellies. Project Eat like the hair. Okay, so Project XL poster makers.
Very cool. Just zoomed in on that one.
Makers. No, I said makers. You said
They're markers.
Palm and Pals.
Okay.
We have an old school here. Pounding.
Pound puppies. Good.
Wait, is this
You
a
are
pound?
strong.
Yeah. Okay, then we have a puzzle by
I remember
Kodak.
reading these books.
I think that's how you say it.
Yeah, Kodak. Yeah.
Kodak's premium puzzles. Then we have the. Ooh, which way? This way. Okay. Oh.
No, one could shade right this way.
Oh my GIF.
The gifs.
Yeah. Okay. So then we have
Bash,
Ryan. Bash. Tell them what that is, Bash.
What is that? A one toy.
Yeah. A Ryan toy. Then we have.
I look at all
I think this is a.
Show the camera.
Wait. Open this.
Look at all
It's a little
Whoa.
There's a lot.
thing,
You have ice on your shirt.
and it's.
No, it isn't.
What will you put in your brain?
There's icing on my
So
shirt.
it's like a thing that you can put in your brain toys.
Cool.
Oh, and Bash, what is this?
Three.
Wait.
Bye,
No.
dolls! Bye, dolls!